Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see your trust wallet address, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, it's a very easy way. You simply have to open up your trust wallet app, make sure you're signed in as well, and then right afterwards you're gonna find this kind of home interface. Now from over here, tap on this option of little copy icon given on top, and this is simply your addresses section. Now you're gonna find the address for all the tokens available on trust wallet that you can share your tokens, share your address to receive that. You can tap on Bitcoin and you can see your address will be copied right away. You can simply go ahead, paste that, and share that to anybody that you would prefer. You can do that same to others as well from the listing right over here. And once you have copied the address, you are free to paste it and share it and receive the Bitcoin on your trust wallet. So that is basically it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.